Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW. I'm talking about any BMW pretty much guys. 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5 guys. Even 6 and 7 Series. Many of you ask me where the transmission coolant thermostat is located, what it looks like, how to replace it. Okay, and a few things that you should know about guys. Make sure you stay until the end, and if you drive without one, you can severely damage your car, so we're going to talk about that as we go. Make sure you stay until the end. Before guys we start, let me tell you, if you need to buy any parts, tools, thermostat, anything like that, transmission fluid, coolant, we'll share guys the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price as well guys. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. So let me show you what we have here. Usually on the bottom side of your radiator guys, okay, on the bottom side we have radiators removed and all that stuff. You can see you will have a coolant like that. This is the transmission cooler, okay, right here. This is transmission cooler guys. You can see you have two lines, inlet, outlet line, and you have two coolant lines, one inlet, one outlet guys. And that's where things get really interesting guys, because on the bottom side, okay, right here, that's where your thermostat is located. What it does, okay, when the temperature, the coolant, the transmission temperature is cold, the coolant is cold, what it does, actually it closes, so it can reach, the transmission can reach normal operating temperature fast. Okay, and then it makes sure that the transmission temperature actually stays at a certain point. And without that thing guys, okay, what can happen? You will be running your transmission too cold, and that can destroy it, because running the transmission too cold actually can damage it severely guys. Okay, and when they fail, usually they fail open. I'll recommend, okay guys, 60 to 100,000 miles usually, but I do it about 60 to 80,000 miles. Replace it. I'll remove this one and show you, okay, what it looks like. It's with Torx. We will share all the tools and parts in the description of our videos guys. You will leak some coolant out. Now you will need to have the whole BMW system drained, the cooling system drained. Another thing guys, you will need to bleed the cooling system the correct way after that. If you don't do that, what can happen actually, you can severely guys, severely overheat your car. And we'll put a link to a video that explains how to properly, okay, how to actually properly guys bleed the cooling system on your BMW. So definitely guys, okay, definitely check it out. Now if the thing is very hot and never been removed, what can happen actually, it can break the moment you remove it. It's spring loaded, hold with your hand here, but the plastic may be so old that it can fall apart in some cases. So we'll see if that's the case with ours. Okay, perfect. And okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, you can see it's right here guys, okay, on the inside now. So you may have two different kinds of thermostat. One is smaller, that's kind of like blackish looking. Okay, this one now the cap comes out. You can see guys, this is the cap, and this is the thermostat on the inside. You can see how it's right here, opens and closes. This is the metal one, so it cannot break. If you have the plastic one, they do break easily guys. Now in order to remove it, we have three screws, 1, 2, 3 right here guys. Okay, and the whole thing will come out and you can replace it. Just the whole assembly is being sold guys, so you have to replace it that way. Okay, you can see this is the spring right here that actually lays right here, and this is what blocks the coolant from going in the transmission cooler guys. And actually the thermostat, when it closes, when it's closed until the transmission reaches about 90 degrees Celsius, and after that guys it will open, so it can cool the oil and the car will not overheat. Now if you drive without it guys, you will not overheat your transmission in most cases. It's still possible, but not very likely. But what you will do, you will actually drive your transmission too cold, and as a result guys, what will happen actually, you can destroy it, because when the transmission is cold, actually it will not shift correctly, it will wear out faster as well. That's why even when the engine is cold and the transmission is cold, the shifting points on your car are at higher RPMs, so it can warm up the transmission faster and it can run more efficiently. So that's it guys for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.